Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how you contact Skip the Dishes using your phone. This is a very simple thing to do guys to get in touch with them, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Skip the Dishes application if you haven't already on your mobile phone, and after opening it up guys and logging to your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the restaurants that you can order from. So guys, here are the restaurants, and if you look at the lower bottom of the page, you can see all the sections we can access, such as the restaurants option. Here we have the search bar, here we can see all the orders that we have, rewards, and so on. So guys, the first thing we have to do is we have two options to contact them via phone. First option guys is to go ahead and click your profile icon right here in the upper right corner, and in this new menu that appears you can go ahead and scroll down until you find this option that says need help. So guys, go ahead and click on need help and then select the need something else button right here, and here we can go ahead and start contacting them using contact support. So you can enter your phone number, your message, what you need, I need help, doesn't matter, just say whatever you want, and after that guys, go ahead and click the button to start a chat. So this is one of the options guys to contact them using chat and talking to their support. The other option guys is just to call them. As you can see, you can go ahead and Google for the Skip the Dishes contact number, but here it is guys. Here you can go ahead and call this number and talk with your customer service of Skip the Dishes. So you can choose any two of these methods that you want to use, but both will work. But yeah guys, basically this is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.